Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2016 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, security system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.